Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing kind of a get ready with me, sort of. I'm going to work today, but I'm doing a review on the L'Oreal Los Angeles Boss Babe eyeshadow palette. In my last video I did, it's probably going to be up by the time you see this, but I did Party Animal for that bundle thing, and so yeah, today I'm going to be showing you Boss Babe because I am going to work, so it kind of made sense. But yeah. So I probably look crazy because I've done the rest of my face already, but I haven't done my eye makeup yet, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So here is the bundle. I showed it to you in the last video. I'm just going to take out Boss Babe really fast. So I really like the packaging in this. It's super cute, super pretty. I love this rose gold kind of shiny color. Just open it up. So yeah, here is the outside of Boss Babe. That's what it looks like. And then here's the inside. I love these colors. They're super pretty. And this is, you can use for like foundation mixing or something like that. But I love these colors. They're extremely gorgeous. They're like my normal colors that I would use every day pretty much. Maybe this one is a little bit bold for my everyday look, but yeah, so I'm gonna do a look with this for work today, and I'll show you guys how it goes. First, I'm gonna go with the shade Deadline, and I'll insert a swatch of these later, but I just can't put colors all over my arms right before I go to work. But yeah, I'm just gonna put Deadline all in my crease. So next I'm going to take Clocked Out on the flat end of my brush, just so that way I can kind of press it into the outer corner. The end of the brush that I just used, and just blend that. This looks probably going to be kind of boring since I can't really play around with any bold colors right now. So I'm just going to take, okay, so these two colors I'm going to try to incorporate. I'm going to put CEO all over the lid and then on the grind in my inner corner. I'm just going to use my finger for that. Ooh, it's gorgeous. And I'm going to take that first brush I used and just blend out any edges. Alright, so far that's what I have. Now I'm going to take on the grind and just stick it right in the inner corner. I'm just going to pop a little bit of it right in the middle. I'm just going to go back in and blend out any harsh lines I might have. So now I'm just going to take Deadline mixed with a little bit of Clocked Out and just smooth out the under eye. finish off this look with some mascara, and I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash to do that. Well, actually first I'm going to spray my face. Use the Matte Magic Mist and Set by e.l.f. Now I'm just going to use Benefit Roller Lash. Alright guys, so that is my final eye look. I'm just going to add some lipstick real quick. And I'm going to be using the Lipstick Queen Famous Last Words Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sia. Yeah guys, so that's my final look for work. I do recommend this palette. It's super good. All the colors are super pigmented, and it's a really nice palette, and it's $18 or $30 for the bundle, so you save like $6 or $7 buying the bundle. It's a super good palette, and I'll play with the bolder colors in it, like that yellow, when I'm not having to go to work in like 2 hours. So yeah, I definitely recommend this palette. Super good, super pretty, and if you don't like super bold colors, this one is going to be better for you than Party Animal will be, because that's nothing but neon colors and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment on what you guys want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.